Tired of losing qualified leads because you can't figure out how to convert them in Salesforce? Here's the exact 4-click process to turn any lead into a contact instantly. We'll start from the Leads tab. Select your lead and click Convert twice. No fluff, just the steps you need. All right, let's jump right in. First thing you want to do is navigate to the Leads tab. Now, this is usually located on the top navigation bar in your Salesforce org. If you're looking at your home screen or any other record, just find that tab and give it a click. It will bring up your list of all open leads. And here's the thing. I've tested this process in a real Salesforce org, so what you're seeing on your screen is going to look exactly like mine. So now that we're in the list view, you'll see all your leads displayed. Scroll through the list and find the specific lead you want to convert. Go ahead and click on the lead's name. This is pretty straightforward, but it's a crucial step because you need to be on the lead's detail page to start the conversion. Just click that hyperlinked name, and it will open up the full record for that person. You're now looking at the lead detail page. This is where you can see all the information about that person, their company, their phone number, all that good stuff. Now, look around the page for the Convert button. It's usually located near the top, often right next to buttons like Edit or New Task. In my experience, it's a prominent button, so you shouldn't have to hunt too long. Once you find it, go ahead and click Convert. This brings up the conversion dialog box. And here's the really important part. A dialog box will pop up on your screen. This is where Salesforce asks you to confirm a few things about the conversion. You might see options to create a new account or link to an existing one, and similarly for the contact. For most standard conversions, the default settings are just fine. So all you need to do is look for that Convert button one more time, right there in the dialog box. Click it again to confirm. This is the actual moment of magic. It might take a second to process, so give it a moment. Once the conversion is complete, you'll be taken directly to the new contact record. Take a look. You should see that all the information from the lead, the name, the email, the phone number, has been perfectly carried over. No manual typing, no risk of fat-fingering a phone number. It's all there, clean and ready to go. This is the part where you can breathe a sigh of relief, knowing you didn't lose any data. Now, let's verify the account that was created. Because when you convert a lead, Salesforce automatically creates an account using the lead's company name. You can usually see this account linked right on the contact record under the account name field. Click on that link, and it will take you to the account page. You'll see that the account was created and the contact is already associated with it. This is a great way to make sure everything is connected properly in your Salesforce ecosystem. Finally, let's do a quick sanity check. Go back to the Leads tab. In your list view, you should no longer see the lead you just converted. Or if you do, it will have a status like Converted. In some views, it might just disappear entirely. Either way, this confirms that the lead has been successfully processed. It's no longer sitting in your open leads queue waiting for someone to accidentally drop it. And that's it. From fumbling with lead conversion and risking data loss to confidently converting leads into contacts in seconds with 0 errors. Now you can get back to what really matters, following up with those qualified leads. If this helped, give the video a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.